And go.
Okay, so our film is about a man called Ted, and he's just lost his father. And everywhere he goes, pretty much, he sees this mystery figure, and he can't make out what the guy looks like too well because of hidden identity. He believes it's connected to his father's death, and so he finds a Polaroid of his father's dead body, and so then he knows basically that something's gone wrong, and you can tell by the Polaroid that it's at the scene where his father died. So he goes to the paramedics who worked on his father's in a car accident, and he asks them, did you see anyone there? And they sort of say, we saw a lot of people there, so he doesn't really get much help from them. So he goes to the police after that. And with no help from the police, he sort of takes it on himself. But his wife, Martha, and his friend Peter, they can kind of see that he's getting a bit obsessed, and so they suggest therapy. He's a bit reluctant to do it, but he goes eventually, and the therapist sort of suggests that maybe this mystery figure is a coping mechanism, and he's just imagining it all. And he kind of just ignores that, and he goes to his father's office and he finds a photo of his father, a couple of his friends, and then a guy who looks like the mystery figure. And so he sort of says, it's definitely not in my imagination now. And then he sees the mystery figure and he chases him, and he finds out that it's a different guy. And then that, just sort of chasing this random person, scaring the crap out of him, kind of sends him over the edge, and he decides that maybe he should go to rehab, a hospital, like a mental hospital, and get help. And after a while, he gets rehabilitated, and he comes out, and he doesn't see the mystery figure for a while, a couple of weeks, and then eventually he does. He follows him into the train station, which I think we'll have earlier in the film, the same setting. And the next day we see someone reading a newspaper with a picture and the headline saying, like, man commits suicide, or I think that's it. And, yeah, the picture of him.
For the opening title sequence, we're going to have our character Ted sitting on a bench waiting for his train at the train station reading a newspaper. And then at the opposite side of the train station he sees this mysterious figure, which triggers a flashback of Ted's father's funeral, which he sees he saw this mysterious figure at. And it goes back to the present where the train passes the mysterious figure, and when it passed by, the mysterious figure's disappeared. And then he sees a box that has been left on the opposite side of the train station where the mysterious figure has been, so he goes to the other side to retrieve this box, and it has a tag with his name on it. And then he opens the box to find a Polaroid of his father's dead body, and then we thought we had the camera zooming in on him holding the Polaroid with the title hidden.
And yeah, for the opening title sequence, it's going to be mostly at a train station, but there's also a flashback at a funeral, so at a graveyard or church or something. We thought Ted, because he's waiting for a train to go to work, which would be wearing a suit or shirt and tie or something, and the mysterious figure will be like a nice suit, long coat and a hat that covers his identity, and you never sort of see his face. And we thought, like, at the train station the lighting would be more desaturated, and for the graveyard, because it's a flashback, would be a bit brighter.
Just to summarise, our film is a psychological thriller about a man, Ted Robinson, trying to find out how this mysterious figure is connected to his father's death. It's a hybrid of a horror and thriller genre. There's a supernatural element to it, that the idea that no one knows if the mysterious character is real or not. Our opening title sequence will introduce the key characters, Ted and the mysterious character, and will also show that it's a psychological thriller, as the audience will question who this mysterious figure is and how he's connected to Ted's father's death. The flashback will show how Ted recognises the mysterious figure, and the Polaroid is the main trigger to why he decides to investigate his father's death. Are there any questions?
No?